Let's say, guys, that you already had your first experience with Odoo Resolution Center. And now, after maybe first reports which you have generated, or maybe after first, I don't know, import and export experience, you would like to go and proceed with something more advanced. Let's say maybe you want to add some additional field in Odoo, or you want to create new products, new variants, or so on. I have prepared an example of how you can use the Odoo Resolution Center to do that, and to showcase it to you, I am going to ask the agent to prepare the dashboard for me. Before proceed with that, I would like to remind you that agent can do exactly what you can do through your Odoo user interface. So the agent has absolutely the same permissions as the company admin gave to you, so he can't do anything else. It means that, for example, if you are a sales manager and you have an access only to CRM, and then you will ask agent to give you some finance data, maybe agent won't be able to provide it to you if you don't have an access to this data. So with this example, I'm asking the agent to prepare for me the dashboard. And in this dashboard, I would like to see the profitability report by product, employee, and client. And also I would like to see some key performance indicators. I'm asking the agent to proceed only in the planning phase, and it is a nice tip to share with you, because especially when you are getting your first experience of working through the Odoo Resolution Center and your life environment, it always makes sense to plan before make any changes. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm asking the agent to plan and to ask the questions before I will decide if I want to proceed or not. So let's create this task and let's see what agent will answer to us. So here you can see that the agent is starting from the planning stage. So agent is saying that, or reading that he would like to start with checking of Odoo version, of checking of available dashboard and reporting capabilities, review accounting, and so on. And now you can see the plan update from the agent. Agent is sharing that the majority of tasks is already done. He has already all information to start with detailed requirements generation. That's what agent is doing right now. So wait until those requirements will appear here. And now we can see the results of discovery, which were done by the agent. So we know the agent is just validating the system, the dashboard capabilities, profitability data sources which are available, and so on. And then agent is sharing a lot of questions, because our prompt honestly was not so clear. So then agent needs additional information about the profitability metrics, around how are we defining profitability per product, employee, client, and so on. So quite a lot of questions, and before agent will start any implementations, of course, we need to provide this information. And then you have two choices here. The choice number one is just to continue interacting with the agent. So that's in the same way like you're doing it with ChatGPT or Gemini. You can continue answering to the questions. You can continue asking agent to prepare the summaries to you and the requirements until you feel comfortable to write down that I'm approving that. Please go ahead and provide those changes to my Odoo instance. Or you have another choice. If you feel some comfortable with those kind of technical questions, if you feel some comfortable, or maybe you don't have a time to answer to all of them, and you need to have some additional knowledge around the Odoo, how to answer it in a better way, you can always invite OpsWay expert to help you. How to make it? Quite simple. So you have a button here which you can click, and then after clicking to those buttons, you can select the Odoo consultant which you prefer. In this list, you always have the consultants which are working on your project, and you can select one of them who is available, or who you are used to work on your daily basis. So let's say here I will select myself, and I will invite to this conversation. And after inviting myself, it has already appeared here that I'm invited to this conversation. Starting from this moment, any text message which you will write in this chat won't be analyzed by agent, because it will be your conversation with a human, with OpsWay expert. But once you will tag the agent, agent will understand that, okay, now you are expecting that agent will do something for you. This is the way how you can, in parallel, in the same chat, interact with OpsWay expert and with agent giving him some task. And also the OpsWay expert can do the same that what you can do. Also can tag the agent and ask agent to provide additional information or do some configuration. So it's really awesome platform to work together with AI and humans from OpsWay to make some changes which you would like to get in your Odoo instance. Thank you for watching that. Please reach out to us in case of any questions.